Hey guys, what's up? So till now, if you didn't enable the backtap feature in your iPhone, then you are missing an awesome feature of iPhone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable this feature. So let's go to the settings. Okay, open settings, then scroll down and go to accessibility. Okay, scroll down, then go to touch. Okay, here scroll down till the bottom and you will see backtap. Now tap on it. Now you have two options: for double tap what you want to do and for triple tap what you want to do. So let's select. For double tap we will take a screenshot. Okay, and for triple tap let's go with, we bring Siri. Okay. Okay, now let me double tap on the back. Okay, this was double tap. As you can see, screenshot has been taken. Now triple tap. Siri is here. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can enable the backtap feature on your iPhone. So try it out and let me know what is your favorite backtap feature. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.